respect stranger gym, especially when they born in Cambodia and outside overseas, and say hello to ladies who listen right now. And today topic is I gonna show about my topic. I have a special topic for you today. The topic is how to excel in learning. You know, many people around the world, they don't know how to excel or develop learning in their life. Sometimes they don't know the way, they don't know the tip to learn quickly or to get more reasonable in learning. In this case, I have a 6 tips to share all of you according to my experience that I use it every day. It's my daily life. I use it to improve my English learning, to improve my other language that I am learning right now, like Khmer learning or Chinese learning, and so on. I think all this my tip can help you if you take note to reviews, and especially if you want, don't track your brain, don't track your brain too much. Track your take note, because sometimes your brain cannot remember all what you heard, all what you see, and all what you analyze. Your brain cannot remember all. The best ways to improve your cell quickly is take note. So that's why don't trap it too much. Don't trap your brain too much. The first tip is attend class. You know, if you want to achieve something, if you want to get something in the class, the first thing that you should do is attend class first. If you don't attend the class, so how you get the lesson from the teachers? Even though in your life, everything always happening and new thing always happening also. Something new every day. So your school is everywhere to learn. You attend to your school. This is the way that suitable for getting anything from the school. Not only a system of education, use and sport, but also the system of the nature, school by the natures. So if you mean that if you stop studying, you would or you will die. This is the Albert Einstein, he said, the quote of Albert Einstein. If you stop learning, you will die or you will be dead. Even your life is dead by you stop learning. So, ladies and gentlemen, the second tip is look and listen carefully. After you pay attention, you need to look and listen carefully. Take your ear, your two ears, completely listen wise to the teachers. Listen to the teachers and listen to your friend when they answer the question or the teachers ask the question. So carefully that you listen, not do anything while you was learning. So that's why you take your ear and don't do nothing. and prepare your pen, prepare your paper, or prepare your book to take anything, something new, or something tip from the teachers, like math, how to do, physics, how to do it, and history. Take note the years of happening of the event. So that's why you need to listen. The tip three is take note. You know, take note is very important. All the billionaires, all the authors, all the writers, they always take note every day what they see and what they look. When they see something new, they take note in their diary. So that's why they can write a book and sell to the world according to their experience. Related to this take note, you need to review the lesson or review something. Open the book and read it again and again. What you wrote on your paper, on your book, or on your diary. This is the way for reviewing and take note of what you write and what you see. Don't drag your brain too much. Sometimes your brain cannot remember all things. It's forget quickly when you do something more. Example, now you listen. After that, after this finish, you will do anything more or do anything else. So that's why your brain will remember new thing more, but forget the old thing that you remember before. So take note is very important to review your brain, to remember your brain again and again. This is the way that you need to learn in excel, to excel in learning in your life, or to improve learning in your daily activities. This is the tip pro, and the tip pro is read more book. Read more books. If you read, the more you read, the more you know. The more you read the information, the more you get benefit from your reading. So the more you read, the more you know. While you was reading, you need to think when you was reading. If you are reading, but you are not thinking about your reading, your brain cannot analyze this, what you're reading, what is this, what the purpose of the author they want to write, and what the purpose of this topic. So you need to think and analyze what you have reading. So you're reading, and then you analyze the article, you analyze the text, you analyze the topic and the whole book or the title of the book. Example, if you read history, so you need to know what is history. You need to research about the history. History is the something that come from the past, and every activity is from the past. You need to know it's in the present and practice in the present. Don't walk on from the past. Something history is bad, so please forget it and make it the new. This is the history. So if you know the history, you know the title of the book, it means that you know clearly 50% of this book. And then you need to read it and analyze what point. Sometimes in the point, the author divided into the small point. small and small, and they explain you what is the point and what is the event that happened in the year, 2000 years ago, or 700 years ago, or 100 years ago, or about the history of the World War I, World War II. So that's why you need to read and analyze what you read. The tip 5 is research. What is researching? Research is mean that something that you want to know by specific one. Example, you study or you are studying at university, you need to read or research about your university class. Example, Khmer or English or economic or politics or education. So you need to research about that to get the specific information from that you was researching. You need to read to get more information from researching by research something. Nowadays, internet is very populated. Social media is very populated for us because the COVID-19 pandemic to around the world. The epidemic around the countries, especially now in Cambodia, they have spread. The COVID-19 have spread around the countries and spread around the world. So you cannot go to the library. You cannot go to the bookstore. You cannot go to bookshop. So the best way is the internet. Google is very popular one. You need to research by website, something that they post on the website in the internet. You need to research it to complete your information, to complete your work. Example, you want to know about the business, how to do a business, you need to research on the internet. So they will show you the website, what tip or what technique that you can do, you can practice in daily life. So research is very important for you. You are a student. It means that you are a student even though you stop learning at university. You stop learning, you graduate from university, or you finish your doctor degree. But you are a student also because you need to learn from the society. You need to learn from the reality of the natures and the something new every day. So it means that you are a student every time because you need to learn. If you stop learning, you will die. This is the quote of the Albert Einstein. And the last but not least is ask the question. If you want to clarify, if you want to classify your what is your learning, or you have something doubt, or you don't clearly about that, you ask the question. But you need to ask the way. What is the good way to ask the question? To that. Okay. I will. Just I want to finish my six tips. I will gives the opportunity to use. Don't worry, to ladies in this. So sometimes if you don't ask the question, it means that you have something not clearly in your brain. You always don't have to enough. What is I gonna do next? So my suggestion that all the 7 tips, all the 6 tips can help you. But we have a lot of tips to do. But in this case, I just take the 6 tips for you. to practice in daily life, and you have the other tip to practice in your daily life also of your learning in from your university, from your place, your community, or from your village. That is okay for you. Yes, thank you so much for my presentation. If you have something to talk, please let you out. And you have question or something that
Thank you so much. Crystal, you want to share first?
Okay, I don't have anything to share. I just want to say hello to all friends. I'm Srey Saw and I live in Cambodia. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Venerable. Hi, everyone. Yeah, teacher Kim Yam come from Canada and the province is Quebec. And so I live in Montreal. So nice to see you. And don't forget, say hi to us if you see my video with Venerable, and don't forget say hi, say hello to teacher Kim Jam. My pleasure to make friends with you. And today I share about my topic. It means what it means, believe, begin, and become. Yeah, I mean a lot of people, they don't believe on themselves. They are failed because they never believe they get success. That's why they fail. Okay, so if you take something, you see something you do is the right one, the good way, and good for you and good for others, let's go. Don't be shy. It's my slogan. Don't be shy. Learn to fly. So don't shy. Yeah, like the old people, like the old people, my old people said, "Rian, rian, rian, kong ma yên, rian ở chân." Yeah, it's my slogan. I love this slogan. It's motivate me. It's motivate me to learn and continue. Even I'm not good like you. Maybe I'm not good like you, but I continue. I do my best, and finally, you know, I have to say thank you to my effort that the whole year that I present on business online, and we get success with the Srey Store, and we're so happy. We can have the Pagot, we can have a lot of money to serve the food and some money. Yes, I'm so happy. Yeah, I just and the you have to begin like right now. If you see that business is good for you and good for others, why not start today? Start right now. Don't wait a minute or a second. Don't wait. Just start right now. Begin. And when you begin, you become. You will become. One word they said, never do, never happen. Never do, never happen. Let's do it. Practice it every day, every time. Yeah. Thank you. That's it, my topic. Yeah.